Nahalan numan moilan tin nap mai. Tinyo tamane pungao cha chailak hayanga hatawa Noah chung pungao ngonang. Tamane sa pungao te chai ha. Noah a kata amay chango hayanga iya kawang tuken, kawang ro Noah tuken. Noah was a good person and he loved God, and God also loved Noah. Noah hipak ma kata nyuha a yong nuwa sakango hayanga hangipa anutui toba lengangoyangki. Kawang iman te mongi may God was not happy with the people. Then ni cha kawang Noah te yenglin ayong cha lengne iyangki. God commanded Noah to build a big ark because he was going to send flood to the land. Kawang Noah te hanghi pi pay hangshin yonge aniwa tatan epikan yime lenglak kong kum ngawa ngoyangki. Open Noah atopa yenglin ayong lenga shoyape. Kawang inoksa yen mokyen ha api apong ni sa topa yenglin mongte ongnetem. After Noah had finished building the ark, God told Noah to take with him his family and 2 of every kind of bird, of every kind of animal, and of every kind of creatures that move along the ground, which is male and female. Also, taulan chingne haying o teme pailak chingne iyangki. Ope kong kumbuya pe shoya pe kawanga yenglin takap kaptem. He closed the door of the ark. Katok knew the why ni tali fa tali yilak pe kaikan kai. For 40 days it was raining. Why chamloi shokpu kaya yenga katok ma hayanga yenglin a punga enlakne power a kungwang. Kawang Noah noksa ha yin mokyen ha yenglin ma en putokte nyei pulan se yeng ma netem. Ie Noah noksa a kata amay hayang chausa ngopu noksa sa yentem yangki. God saved Noah and his family because Noah's family loved God and they were good people. Yeng saachi iwa ma payma Noah noksa hayin moklan katokte unitem hayang cheng chepucha pa haka I. Saachi towe katok nyume ni se yeng molim payne yitam lak. Hawante kawang Noah te yipen lakpa faucha pa. Iya wang tang me nyamlong rainbow cha ngai tem yang haka iyangki. Towe nyamlong wang phum tang me ngaya honang hayang hatawa to he katok ayin nyuhalan pa me yipen lakpa chengchepu chane menglak. Ope nyamlong ngia pe hipak lepi iya chengchepu taitolak. The rainbow was a sign between God and the people. Ni atan cha ngoyang Noah he inoksalan konu atokte ngayangki. Iman ngayang katok tang me kema yong mongmay hayang kawang chanpu papute mongmay ngo. Iman awang pa tuisyo ayong iman ayente pobu chunga kawang te menyong papu ngoyangki. Tamana hataw pungaw kaya hangi shangaya pushi. What have we learned from this particular story of Noah? We have learned that Noah gave thanks to God because God saved him and his family from the big disaster. In the same way, kawang tamante o yilakpa pawatikna. Tamane, yung pa nang demenyong panang sa ilaka wongpong. Nang o kawang te hangi lam jungne menyong pu pahu nangki, menyong pado. Give thanks to God for everything. Give thanks to God for the food that you are eating. Give thanks to God for the clothes that you are wearing. Give thanks to God for your parents, for your brothers, for your sisters. Give thanks to God for your friends. Taman chung tani pu mong ngao aleng tawala hem lungtet kochanga aleng cha. Yung wan pa te menyong pu pado, imen menyik to, chatlan say te ie leng pu tui cheng sing temto. I request all of you to go through this Bible verse, and the next Sunday also we will hear more stories. Till then, please take care and stay safe.